Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix could not create account on Apple ID. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to create new Apple ID but you're facing this type issue that you could not create a new account at this time, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So very first you have to see some possible fixes because sometimes it happens when your internet is weak or it's unstable or whenever you want connected to VPN. So very first we are trying to refresh that problems. So you just have to enable and disable your airplane mode to refresh all of your network settings, and after that you have to retry, or if you're still facing the same issue you just have to go for settings here, go for general here, go for VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected try to disconnect with that, and after that go back from here, go for the option of date and time, and you just have to select set automatically. You have to enable this feature to set your date and time automatically, and after that go for language and region, select region and select your own region in which you are living, and once you have done you just have to go back and you have to check or try again if your issue is fixed or not, or if you're still facing the same issue. So open your settings app, go for general here, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. It will only reset your network settings, and after that your issue will be fixed. Or after doing that, if you're still facing the same issues, we have to look for Apple Support app in your phone, or you can also look for Apple Support app. And you have to open your iPhone from here, select the option of subscriptions and purchases, and you can also select any option from here, or you have to select the more option, select App Store, and select the option of get more help, then tap on call us. Now you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk you just have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected to the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So in this way your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.